On this first problem, we're going to do some evaluation of f of x. So f of x equals this expression. So for f of -1, I'm going to rewrite that expression exactly how I see it, but instead of that x, I'm going to put an open parentheses. In that open parentheses, I'm going to put what I'm evaluating at. So I have to do this piece first. Truly, I would stick this in my graphing calculator exactly how it reads with the parentheses and just let my calculator do the work. If you do it by hand, -1 to the 4th is a +1. If I multiply these two pieces right here, that gives me a +4 plus 9. So I'm looking at 5 plus 4 plus 9, and the answer is 18. If I do the next problem, f of 2, I'm going to rewrite the function, putting an open parentheses everywhere I see an x. In that open parentheses, I'm going to put a 2. 2 to the 4th is 16. This right here will give me -8 plus 9. 5 times 16 is 80. If I put those together, I get a +1. Therefore, my answer is 81. This next problem, I have two functions. I'm looking for f minus g of x. What this is saying is I'm taking the function of f, so I'm going to put parentheses, x squared minus 16, and I'm subtracting g, which is 3 minus x. Now there's nothing over here to distribute, so I have x squared minus 16. I'm going to distribute this negative, so I have -3 plus x. Now I'm going to put it in order. X squared plus x minus 19 is my final answer. F of g of 7. I don't particularly care for how it's written like this. I like to write f of g of 7. And then what we do is we start on the inside and work our way out. I'm going to take the function of g and rewrite g everywhere I see an x. I put an open parentheses, and in that open parentheses, I'm evaluating at 7. So I have 49 minus 2, which is 47. Now I'm looking for f of 47. I'm going to take the function of f, which is 2x minus 1, 2 parentheses minus 1, and in that function, I'm now evaluating at 47. 47 times 2 is 94, minus 1 is 93. And that's f of g of 7. Last problem, h of g of x. So again, I'm going to rewrite it h of g of x. I'm going to start in the middle. What is g of x? Well, g of x is 2x plus 7. So I have 2x plus 7. Now I want h of that function. So I'm going to take h and I'm going to rewrite h. X plus 5. Well, in the x, I'm going to plug in this piece right here. 2x plus 7. Now there's nothing over here, so I have 2x plus 7 plus 5, which is 2x plus 12.